What's going on, guys? It's Anthony Olvera. I failed at building a marketing agency and accidentally built a 7-figure virtual assistant business. Now I'm trying to start a marketing agency all over again. This is my progress update. So it's already been like way too many days to try to count like what happened. I feel like this shit's like really redundant. So instead, we're just going to focus on the lesson today. So I am about to take off to Los Angeles for the day with my buddy Joel, who's a commercial real estate agent. And he also is the founder of the Latino Business Referral Network, which works out perfectly. Why? Because if you've been following, I'm trying to create a marketing construction agency. Yeah. So you guys are going to get to follow me today. I'm going to hook up Joel with some content. Like, he's just paying me to shoot a listing for him in LA. But I'm going to do like a vlog because I go above and beyond. Yawn. In all seriousness, though, when I tried to start this business the first time around, I think it was more than 5 years ago, actually, because I saw my first domain name was in 2014 that I tried doing this. So this is like 10 years ago. Shit. Yeah, I got proof. But pretty much the theme of today is going to be, you gotta have friends. Because when I first started this business, I think if I had like the network down, the network side, and also like I understood niche, I probably would have been like a bajillionaire by now. And I'm not. I'm obviously Poe. I ain't Poe, but I could be doing better. So yeah, follow along, guys. I'm gonna give you guys some lessons, and if you don't have a network, we're going to start giving you tips on how to network and what to do. And if you guys are watching this and you have the capability to run cameras, then buy yourself some cameras and point it at people. That's one of the best relationship builders. Tip number 1. All right, guys. So what a friggin' day it has been so far. Back here with Joel Calvillo. Say what's up, man.
What is up?
So pretty much, man, we got to the airport and it was pretty hectic, just like getting parking and then going to the airport. As soon as we landed, we were on the tarmac for like extra 30 minutes that we weren't supposed to be there. And then we get out and go to the rental car place, and the rental car was going to take like another 2 or 3 hours, man. So Joel decided, you know what, screw that. Let's hop on Uber, because literally by the time we get the car, we're not going to be able to make it to the window where the property owner is expecting us, and then make it back. So that's been pretty hectic. But like I promised today, guys, the theme of this vlog today is actually about networking. And so Joel here, he runs a group called LBRN, Latino Business Referral Network. And what's been cool is like when I decided, what was that?
What's that?
Oh, you're cracking your neck? Okay. But when I decided, okay, I'm going to niche down into contractors, one of the first things I did was hit up Joel, and I was like, yo, here's my vision, here's what I'm thinking. Immediately, Joel just starts connecting with me with people who he thinks I could start doing business with. So it's cool. And I think from that network, so we actually have proposals out right now for CR Marble and Granite. We have a proposal out right now for Sam Alexander Construction, who else? There's another one. No, that's it right now from that network. But my point is that, I think that especially at the beginning of your business, it's extremely important to network and have people that you can just call on to help, right? And one of the things that I like to do, guys, I was mentioning earlier, get cameras, especially like if you are a younger, more tech savvy person who can easily get things down. One of the easiest ways to build relationships with people is by having camera equipment. Like for example, like with LBRN, with Joel, I rolled up, shot a video, and what's been cool is like through that one video, that's how I started getting exposure, because people see me there with cameras. And then I think it got shared on social media too, the Ronbo video. Did you see that? Yeah. So, and also like today too, I get to come out here with Joel and we get to shoot, a property. And even though like I'm not really going into commercial real estate, that's not my thing. What's going to be cool is like now that Joel's going to have even more like photo video stuff, he can talk about me more, because people are going to see this. I'm going to build a website for this property. He's going to put it on LinkedIn. So I think having cameras and being willing to use it more as a tool, like, because I don't know if like, so definitely in the, one of the things that we're going to do is media. But when you can, especially at the beginning of your business, use your cameras as like leverage, right? Using your cameras really as your greatest networking and connecting tool. Because, if somebody's trying to promote an event and especially like most people don't have photographers or videographers just on hand that are willing to go out and shoot events like that. But I guarantee you, like if you roll up even with the Osmo Pocket or iPhone, whatever, if you can't get a really nice camera, the chances that somebody's going to tell you, no, you can't record my event that I'm trying to promote is like very low, right? And especially when you do work where it's like you go out, you record it, you do the work, and the work is really high quality, like it would be worth a couple $100,000 of work when you put it out. That is an amazing way to give value and build relationships, especially with strangers. I have built many relationships with my cameras. So with that being said, guys, that's just like the theme of the vlog today: networking, bringing value. And actually, Joel, what would you say? I'm gonna put the mic on you, man. Like, what would you? So today the vlog is really more about the importance of your network and bringing value. So what would you say to that?
Let's say your network, people work with people they like, they know, they like, they trust. And if it's a referral, if you're referring someone, if someone comes to me, I have people come to me all the time asking me for who do I know that provides a different service? I refer them. If it's coming from me or if it's coming from someone that they know, like, and trust, it has a higher stickiness, a higher probability for that person that's providing the service to turn into to get a win out of that and be able to sell their product. And it's a win for the person that's providing the product, and it's a win for the person needing the product because their need is being met. So networking is a great way to bridge the need and the solution, through the people you know, you like, you trust.
Yeah, can you tell them a little bit about the property that we're going to go today? Tell them like the backstory.
So this property, goes to networking. I volunteered some time with the Santa Clara County Association of Realtors when they were putting together a commercial board so that the residential agents could go ahead and refer to, get to know and like, hopefully will know and meet, know, and understand some of the what some of the different commercial agents in the market were working, doing. I was brought into a financial advisor's office to work with a couple of their clients and just assess some of their properties. And because of that, it was a good experience, I feel, on all sides. Later on, there was an opportunity where one of the seniors was asked by a junior, hey, who do you know that does commercial real estate? They said, you got to call Joel. This property, I'm based out of Santa Clara County, San Jose market. This property is down in Sherman Oaks, LA. The owner of the property lives in Fresno. That's the father. The son that works, the financial advisor, lives in San Jose. And we talked about the property. He asked me for some recommendations. He saw that I was not in it just to, hey, let's get a listing and get a sale, get a commission check out of it. I was hoping that he'd be able to keep the property, that we could find a way to restructure the debt on there that made sense, so they could keep it for the next generation, for at least another generation or so. I don't believe in, hey, sell the property and cash out. But what makes more sense right now in their situation is to sell the property. So just trying to do what's best for the client, he decided that, to give me the listing. Yes, I'm based out of Santa Clara County. I'm down in LA County. There are agents that work this market, but he's working with someone that he knows, likes, and trusts. So that's all networking. You plant the seeds, and sometimes it's years later that tree will grow and the fruit will harvest. So just keep out there networking, keep meeting individuals, keep showing that you know your stuff, know your value, and it works. Networking works.
Yeah, you know what? And what's cool too is like, so I posted a story earlier, tagged Joel, and I already got a new follower. And what's cool is like Joel's so well connected that when people see my face and him and I together, now people will associate me with Joel, and vice versa. I have a pretty strong network as well. But that's the thing, guys. So make sure, again, for you guys who are watching this, you're watching this because you're watching the building a marketing agency series. So use that camera, guys. It is one of your biggest connectors. And that's it. Let's go shoot this property, bro.
Let's go. Let's do it.
Let's go. I'll just call it a shit show. Property manager just was not ready for anything, and I had a whole vision of how I wanted to execute this thing. Full photo, full video. I took out my gimbal, did everything, and property manager forgot the keys and all kinds of stuff. So he was a really nice guy. I just don't think he was on the same page of what I was trying to accomplish, which is fine. But either way, regardless, we're gonna have some beautiful photography for the OM, which for those of you who don't know, OM is offering memorandum. That's what these commercial real estate folks call it when they put together the packages that have all the information for the listing. But overall, I mean, Joel, how did you feel about everything?
I thought it went well, man. Yeah, we have some hiccups, but it's not about, when you stumble, right? You just get up and you work through it. So at the end of the day, we got it done, and that's what matters.
Yeah, and you know what, guys, today has been a day of progress over perfection. From the first thing, our flight being 45 minutes delayed on the tarmac, the car not being ready at the car rental place, the property manager. I mean, today was just kind of it was just crazy, but we made it happen. Hopefully we get to the airport a little early, have some beers.
That's right.
But yeah, man, we'll get these photos off to the editor, probably at the airport too. But anyways, appreciate you guys following. If you guys have any questions, of course, let me know in the comments. And if you guys want to reach out to Joel, I'll just give you his email. I'm gonna leak the email. Joel@decalviogroup.com.
There you go.
Yeah, or call him on his number 40. I don't know his number. But
408-892-9158.
He'll leak his own number. If you guys need commercial real estate, you want to buy apartments, investments, you guys are some rich kids or rich parents watching this, and you guys got property, hit up Joel. All right, Joel. Peace. All right, guys. So Joel and I missed our flights, which probably the best flight I ever missed. I never missed a flight before, actually. But we ended up getting a room over here at the Westin. So we're going to go and grab some drinks, hang out, enjoy life a little bit. I don't know. We'll see what we end up getting into. But so far, I mean, look at this place. This place is really nice. Yeah, we'll see what happens tonight. So we ended up hitting a bar, meeting fucking Inside Out. She's in love with him, but that's his girlfriend over there.
This guy's making a film right now.
Yeah, so anyways, we ended up accidentally hitting the Killer Shrimp. If you guys are in fucking LA, hit the Killer Shrimp.
It's 1 a.m.
Slit.
We're in Marina Del Rey. Venice.
Marina Del Rey, Venice. I don't know.
I mean, that's... I don't know what's happening.
Look at this.
No. There's a girl. There's the girl.
We were not supposed to be here. We missed our flight by 1 minute.